This weekend, I went to a model show with my friend Mike in Castle Shannon, Pennsylvania. did bring home some hardware from the show. I got a 3rd place in the drag class for the 65 Nova, the Green Mamba, that I just finished on YouTube. My McLaren Senna, the purple and green one, won Best Paint. And the surprise of the day, Best Import for the Jaguar XKE convertible, as well as 1st place. Not bad. So I took 8 models to the show. I came home with 4 trophies. Not bad at all. But most importantly, I got to meet James Duff from the Stash Project YouTube channel, his friend John Brolin, and Don Yost from Scale Model Techniques. I got to talk with Don for a while, and I think that we're going to do a collaborative project later on this year, maybe next year, and maybe merge the 2 channels together a little bit. While I was at James's house, I picked up a couple of kits from him he was selling. First up is the NSX-R. It's by Fujimi, nice kit. And a Don Fink Speedwagon, 32 Ford. I've had this kit years ago. I must have sold it or something, but now I have another one. He also had some decals for me. He likes to buy multiple kits just for different liveries, but this is the Squid Girl. This goes on a Ferrari 430, F430 Challenge kit, and it's kind of cool, livery on it. And also a McLaren MP412C, and this one's a sort of a Intasha style, but if Fujimi ever reissues the kit, then I have the decals for it. While in the swap meet, I picked up, don't laugh, a 51 Chevy convertible. When we built those 40 Fords for the challenge last year and the You Suck group build, I kind of actually liked the old AMT kit. It was kind of a challenge to make it into something cool. So I thought I could build it box stock and make something kind of nice out of it. And lastly, I bought a 64 Belvedere. Now, why would you buy this, James? Because if you look real close, it says model by James Tester. I built the box art for this model years ago for Lindbergh. I never got my kit back, so for 15 bucks, I said, let me just buy this kit and I'll keep it on the shelf, sealed. Who knows, maybe I'll build another one. We'll see. But I hope you enjoyed the show. I did, I certainly did. Got to meet some good friends, some new friends, and I'll be going back next year. It's a good show. I always enjoy going to the swap meets there. There's always some good deals. The contest tables there are pretty good too. We don't get to see all the modelers that show up to that show at NNL East and Detroit. So it's a good thing to go over to Pennsylvania every once in a while and check out the other modelers. So I think that'll do it for me this time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you check out my other videos, especially the swap meet video that I just published a couple days ago. Check that out and stay tuned for more. See you next time. Bye. You still here? Go ahead and watch the next video. Hit the subscribe button.